We're going to mix the rotten foods from your compost pits or other animal manures. Put it on these portions and put also an additives in order to have uh, perfect mixtures and proportions of these particular raw materials. Mix it, stir it for a moment, and then after all, you put this one to your fabricated tanks, cans, in way of equal proportions, and then filling the cans in progress until all the mixtures put on the three executive tanks. Okay, here we are. I think this is the last one. A little bit a while, closing, starting to close the tanks. Closing the bulbs in order not to intermix yet. And after that, we're going to connect this particular push going to your kitchen and open all the bulbs. Stringing the hose going to your kitchen. Then interconnecting it to other hose adapters. These are bulbs going to your hose from your stove. Fixing it for a while, for a moment, in order to avoid leaks, some leaks. Then open the main valve outside, and then interconnect final. Okay, testing success. This is testing made before to connect to your stove. Here is the stove. Interconnect it, fixing it. As you see, after fixing it, finally, go to your stove and fixing it. Connect to your stove. Fix it. Fixing it. And then making a bundle with the cable tie in order not to, shall we say, the flow of the gas is not to disturb some frictions on it. Then finally on your stove. You see? Okay. Success. Okay. Success. And then trying to cook it. Trying to cook bird's eggs.